exclusive line version here with the standing star. As you can see here by the front, it looks absolutely fantastic. You can actually have Zoom calls inside the new E-Class, making this an absolute business limousine. The response of the accelerator is actually super late. So now it's actually time to start the drive with the all new 2024 model Mercedes Benz E-Class. Before we start with the drive, let me just give you a quick tour of the outside, as we have the exclusive line version here with the standing star. As you can see here by the front, it looks absolutely fantastic and is a nice alternative, and not even alternative, it's a more luxurious option to the AMG line car. Here finished in nautic blue with the gorgeous chrome package and the nice bright interior. Here from the side you can also appreciate the wheels and the entire look, and the rear. This will be a driving video, so we will be just hopping right inside the new E-Class. Seamless door handles. And then we have the special interior. So right inside the all new E-Class, a 2024 model. With this one, a very special interior finished in macchiato beige, one of my favorite interior options, a bright interior color. And then in addition with the new super screen here, it has a nice contrast. Let me just start the ignition for you. Here we go. We will be just starting the drive in a few minutes, but before we do that, let me also sum up all the technical information we need right before the drive. The E400e is a 2-liter 4-cylinder plug-in hybrid, giving us a system output of 253 horsepower from the 4-cylinder and 129 horsepower from the electric drive unit. We have in total 400 newton meters of torque with an all-wheel drive vehicle here, doing the 0 to 100 sprint in around 5.3 seconds, and top speed of this one is at around 250 kph. So this will be just the first drive. We will be not really pushing it. We'll be showing you a few cool features here, especially latest infotainment upgrade with the super screen, with all the additional things we have, but we'll mainly focus on the drive and specifics. Let me just start the hybrid mode here, and then we have the engine information. So as soon as we start the car, 3, 2, 1, as we have a hybrid plug-in hybrid model 400e here, it's always starting in electric drive mode. We will be starting the electric drive first, and then afterwards we'll be going with the normal driving. First things first, with the electric hybrid plug-in hybrid E-Class, the 400, we have an electric range of around 100 kilometers, which is pretty cool. Right now at around 50%, and we are at 55 kilometers. Guys, look at the cars here. What an absolute beauty. Wow. And then we have a W123 E-Class Estate sitting right over here, and then next to it we have the 500e. This model is full of history. It's actually built by Porsche. It's one of the most iconic cars and most iconic E-Classes, but we'll be focusing on this car. I'm sorry. We'll be starting the drive, as I mentioned, full electric drive right now, as we are starting it in the electric driving mode. It's pretty comfortable, it's so nice. The steering is extremely soft. It's almost S-Class level, to be honest. The air suspension here and the all-wheel drive, really soft and nice ride. And we have a lot of noise cancellation in the inside of the E-Class. We even have double glass windows here. Super cool and comfortable drive right now, even though the streets are not the best. Time to switch it to sport driving, and as soon as you started sport driving, we have the 4-cylinder kicking in. You can also hear it. It's a pretty rough streets we have here. Not the biggest fan, but still driving it's so easy. You see all these bumps, but the E-Class takes it away so easy. Super nice and smooth to drive here, and the interior is so beautiful. Just look at this. What an absolutely stunning interior setup, I have to say. I'm a huge fan of the new E-Class, and with the beige interior trim in specific. We have the so-called super screen, the latest Mercedes Benz operating system. We have apps like Zoom, Angry Birds and TikTok. We even have a zoom camera here, so while stationary or while you have an autonomous driving, maybe in the future, you can actually have Zoom calls inside the new E-Class, making this an absolute business limousine. That's so cool. We have some very cool streets here. Brakes work super good, really like it. The handling is absolutely nice. We even have the rear-axle steering, making the drive even more agile. It's not only to reduce the turning circle, but also when driving in higher speeds, it gives you the best road stability. It's literally the best. Makes driving this car so compact and easy. The response of the accelerator is actually super late, to be honest. As soon as you do push the full throttle, it takes like literally 2 seconds for the car to really get it going. Just watch this, full throttle. But it drives super sporty if you want and if you wish, especially for these kind of roads. These bumpy roads. 3, 2, 1. The car is pretty heavy and you actually feel it since you have the heavy battery sitting in the back. But still the drive is so nice, super well balanced. The response is actually a bit late, but it's very fun. The speed limit is actually not 50 kph, so don't get confused at this point. And also you have the sound warning now. You can just turn it off. The car actually drives so well, honestly. I really like it, I really enjoy it. What do you guys think? Please share it in the comment section below. Even though we have some super bumpy roads here, the handling of the car is just so easy, it's so nice. Guys, how do you like the all new E-Class? The drive with the 400e in specific, please share it in the comment section below. I have to say I really like it. I do love the interior design, the way the car drives. You can just switch it back to electric mode and have a super silent and chill drive, or you can just go with the hybrid mode, so you have a well balanced drive as well. If you don't like that, you can just switch it up to sport. You have the engine kicking in and you have the full power. So cool. Or if you just like it the way you want it, you just individually configure your driving style. All in all, hope you enjoyed today's video. Even though we had some super bumpy roads here, the car driving was just super well balanced. I really enjoyed it. It's extremely comfortable, but also super fun to drive. What do you guys think about it? How do you guys actually like the sound of the 4-cylinder? How do you guys like the interior design here? Please share it all in the comment section below. I can't wait to read all your comments already. Wish you an amazing day and hope to see you guys soon. I will be back.